This is the weather forecast video for Easter Sunday, April 8th, 2012. Taking in a look at the satellite image from last evening, a cold front has moved across the state and into the Great Lakes with some showers, and along the tail end down in Texas, thunderstorms, some of which are severe, and another storm coming into the west coast that'll be affecting us later this week. Watch warning map from around midnight. Some frost and freeze advisories across the mid-Atlantic and into New York State, some over western Iowa, some in western Kansas, and a thunderstorm watch in the Big Bend area of Texas through the morning. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, and most of the precip you see in the state will be from the storm that'll be coming on Thursday night, so very little until then, with just a little bit Thursday night, more on Friday. Let's take a look at those storms ahead with the GFS Model Run, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Fairly clear and calm with a quick flow out of the west-northwest. The storm system that affected us will be clear into the far eastern Great Lakes and weakening. Still a tail end of it down in Oklahoma, Texas, with some thunderstorms there. And the big story around here won't be precipitation, it'll be frosty mornings, lows in the 20s and 30s, mainly 20s in the protected valley areas, highs in the 50s. This continues into Tuesday, still frosty Tuesday morning, highs in the 50s. In fact, we could even see some areas may not even get out of the upper 40s. Won't that be interesting? Same Wednesday morning, cold again, especially in the eastern half. Western half will start to warm up with temperatures at least back into the 60s for highs, while 50s east. Thursday, the storm has slowed down a little bit, being Thursday afternoon. The rain will be just on the Missouri River Valley, so maybe a few showers west of 35 through midnight. And here Friday, the trough digging in over California is with the storm behind the Friday storm, with a ridge over us, another trough over far eastern New England, and the Friday storm here will bring some showers and thunderstorms. But it's the storm that's over California that we'll need to be looking at as this digs down and then sweeps up and northeast into our area. Saturday, the first system moves off, but there's still some scattered rain around and maybe shower dreary, similar to yesterday. But that storm over the Four Corners area, watch that as this really digs in here a week from today. On Sunday the 15th, big ridge over Florida and the southeast. This energy over the plains, this will need to be watched for. Showers, thunderstorms, possibly severe weather. Even this far out it looks kind of nasty. This will be a storm to watch. Not Friday, but more on Sunday. A few days later, on the 19th, we have a pretty zonal flow, cut off low over the Arizona and into northern Mexico, and some interesting showers and maybe even a bit of rain-snow mix over upstate New York. With the cold continental air coming out of Canada from the Great Lakes eastward, we'll start to be warming up once more. At the end of the forecast, the 23rd, doesn't this look interesting? It looks like the same pattern that we're going to see this next coming weekend. Another big system digging into California, ridge over the south and east, and another big storm developing. So if this is right, we'll need to watch this storm too. But this is 2 weeks or more out, so this is likely to change in future runs. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Monday.